Welcome to another MAGNA Sunday analysis video. The other week I was not able to make a Sunday analysis video because price was ranging and it never really moved. This week we had some movement in the market. We had some pretty good price action. Price went in our favor and we made some good profits. You can head over to our Instagram channel and look at the trades that we took, trades that I also posted in our Telegram channel. Let's get into this week's analysis. Okay, for Aussie dollar the other week, my prediction was that price would find support here and continue to go upwards, and my targets were 0.6800 and 0.6860. But we broke this level. We also broke this level and then came down to 0.660. Here we found support, created a morning star candle. We had moving average crossover here, and then price began to shoot up. So here I was not able to enter the trade because I was already in two other trades, the gold trade and the euro trade, the trades that I gave an analysis on the previous week. Currently for Aussie dollar, we are just from retesting our significant level 0.6700 and created this bullish engulfing candle. I predicted this movement here, and if we go down to the 2-hour time frame, we can see a proper retest. So we have a retest here. So we have a good retest here for our zone, and now we're expecting price to shoot upwards. So targets to remain 0.6860 is my target for now. So if I'm to enter a trade, my target would be at 0.6860, stop loss 0.6600, and from there we would move on. So we'll see how price develops on Monday. I'll give an update in our Telegram channel. So that's it for our Aussie dollar. 0.6860 still remains target level. We go down to gold. So for gold, let's go to a 4-hour time frame. So for gold, we reached our target 270. I gave targets 270 in our previous video. We were ranging for some time. This is the consolidation I was talking about. We ranged for some time. We never really had much movement the previous week, but last week we eventually bursted through the range and began to shoot upwards. We short with volatility, huge volatility in the markets. We wicked back down below 250, below this level here, but eventually we broke the level with these candles here. So my anticipation for gold right now is that gold will continue shooting upwards. We came to retest our significant level, psychological level, 2000 here, and we might see gold continuing its upward movement. Let's try to measure the Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high, and we perfectly retest 78.6. If price comes down to retest 78.6, I would love to keep my stop loss tight for certain reasons. So I'll wait for Monday and see if there will be a potential for gold to continue going upwards. So as you can see, for gold, targets are 2100. So we'll see how price develops on Monday. So this is a huge opportunity. This can be the trade of the month, even mayhem, trade mayhem. So let us wait, sit on our hands and see how price develops. I'll give an update in the Telegram channel. For Euro USD, in the previous video we were around this level here, and for Euro USD we simply shot up, came to 1.1080, and from there that has been our barrier. We have been failing to break this level here. When price came to the level for the second time. I gave a call in the Telegram channel for traders to take partial profits from their position, because I figured this level here has been strong and we have a lot of sellers at this level that are trying to push price downwards from here. So right now, Euro USD, I'm still in the trade, holding the trade. My anticipation for Euro USD is still 1.1150. That's my target for Euro USD. I'm waiting to see price fulfill my prediction, and if it doesn't, we'll take the loss and move on to the next trade. So from here, Euro USD, my anticipation is a continuation to the upside, targets 1.1150. If you are to enter a trade here, make sure to keep your risk management reasonable, and I'll give an update in the Telegram channel. I'll give an update in the Telegram channel for how price will develop on Monday, London session. So let us wait for price. Right now, we have an engulfing candle here. We have an engulfing candle. We have an engulfing candle here. So let us see how price moves on Monday. We come down to US 30. US 30 is very liquid. So for US 30, the previous video, I was expecting price to continue its upward movement from here, but like Aussie dollar, it came down a bit lower. Found support at the previous support level here, 33,400. Created this pin bar here and began to shoot upwards. It then found resistance at 34,200, previous resistance level 2, created an evening star and began to shoot downwards. Very liquid in this. Then from there, it seems like US 30 has broken structure here and we might begin a downward movement, but I doubt if that it's going to continue going downwards from here. I'm expecting US 30 to continue shooting upwards. So for US 30 again, I'm also going to give an update in the Telegram channel. We'll see how US 30 will open on Monday and the movement for US 30 on Monday. But entering a trade from here, I feel like price has already left our entry level. So entering a trade might be, if price comes down to 33,400, price comes down and creates something like this. So we come down here, then again we shoot. So if price does something like this, we can enter from here. That would be a good risk to reward, because we'll be risking less. So let us see how price develops. I'll give an update. For the dollar, we eventually dropped. For the dollar. In the previous video, we were around this level here. We eventually dropped, found support here, went back up, dropped again, went back up again, found resistance at 102 again, and we are now in this range here. For the dollar, I'm still expecting the dollar to continue tumbling down. As you can see, on Friday, I marked out this level here. I also marked out our Thursday daily candle. So this is our Thursday daily candle. This one, let me just change the color. So this is our Thursday daily candle. I marked out our Thursday daily candle and waited to see how price will behave on Friday. So price shot up and we eventually closed below the daily level here. We closed below the daily level here sharply, created a pin bar with a huge wick and a bearish engulfing candle. So for the dollar, we might see the dollar continuing to tumble down and we might come down to 100.4. That's my prediction, and let us see how price develops. Let us see how price develops. If we are to use our Fibonacci from our high to low, okay, from our high to low, our target is 100.6. all right, target's 100.6, not 100.4, 100.6. So let us see how price develops. I'll continue to give you updates in the Telegram channel. That's it for this week's analysis. Hope you have gained some insight from the analysis that I have been giving. If you have learned anything, don't forget to leave a like to support the channel, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.